要出国的时候，我自己越来越厉害，可以准备一个小的行李就好。可是到了我的目的地，需要找到一个洗衣店。然后在 Manila 的时候，我的运最强，因为我刚好住的这个位置，楼下就有一个洗衣店。Packing small and light is something that I am increasingly getting better at, as long as there is an option to do laundry at my destination. While in Manila, I got really lucky, because in the building that I rented this flat, there's actually a laundromat downstairs on the ground floor. At this particular laundromat, they charge you by weight for a basic wash and dry. Since I'm only here for a week, I didn't actually have that much stuff to wash. So I packed everything into a bag and went downstairs to drop it off. One of the great things about the Philippines is most people speak very good English. So arranging my laundry was actually very smooth. The lady at the front desk weighed the bag of laundry that I gave her, which came to approximately 3 kilos. But at this particular laundromat, their minimum weight requirement for one wash is 4 kilos. And they charge 40 pesos per kilo. So you would pay 160 pesos. I paid 160 pesos as well, even though mine was 3. But because it was under the 4 kilo minimum weight, I ended up paying the 160 anyway. She pulled out a little pad and paper, wrote down my name, wrote down the price that I still needed to pay, and she gave me a little slip and told me to pick it up in 24 hours. I, of course, just did a very basic wash and dry. But to give you an idea of the pricing at one of these laundromats in Manila, I did ask her for some other prices. She said that if you washed and ironed, a minimum of 3 kilograms is required. So I guess it doesn't matter if it's pants or shirts or whatever. And they charge 1 kilogram at 115 pesos for washing, drying and ironing. And the total then for minimum 3 kilos would be 350 pesos. If you, for example, wanted to have a 2-piece suit dry cleaned, the jacket would cost 350 pesos and the trousers would be 120. They are priced separately, not as a suit together. Then for ladies' dresses, to dry clean just a normal basic dress, it would be around 250 pesos. Of course, these prices are not set for Manila. I just wanted to give you some ideas of pricing of what you could expect to pay in Manila. So when you do find a laundromat in your area, the pricing might be slightly different. So I just went to pick up my laundry, and actually it's a lot less than I thought it would be. And it smells really good.